National Service has been detected an emergency alert system. This is a test. I cannot believe how brave you are. Thank you for pressing delete or swipe open or anything if you're using a mobile device. Can you imagine? Pretend that a nuclear bomb has been detected across the United States. 15 nuclear bombs have detected from Illinois, Pennsylvania, Portland, Maine, and other states. Don't worry, it is just a fake, and it will be not be in real life. Make sure to go on to YouTube for all the EAS movie. Search that link in the description below if you want to see it. Make sure if you see that coming, please cover your head with blankets or pillows, and always stay close to your friend. If a TV has appeared of the emergency alert system, don't panic. Just wait for it so you can watch your film while you're still working on your stuff. Make sure to I guess that's all I have to say. And yeah, 30 seconds on that bomb has exploded. Time's up. Because the emergency alert system has been activated for real. Stay tuned for other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Repeating, the emergency alert system has been activated. This is only a test.